What's up, guys? It's the Bay Bros back again for another video. This is being filmed after my Sting Unicorn unboxing. I'm on the grind, not really. Please have a healthy work-life balance. And we're gonna unbox Sword Drawn 360 flat. Um, so here it is. Looks sick. Let's flip it to the back of the box. Sword Drawn 360 flat. This is my very first sword drawn. Yeah. So as all the other videos go, let's pull that letter rip tab. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Success. Let's go over it part by part. Before we go part by part, this is the launcher that Hasbro gives you. Now, should you use this? No. Get a string launcher or a ripcord launcher from Takara Tomy. It's way better. You'll have a fun time. This I got with my Phoenix Wing. It's really good. It's a string, and yeah. So let's actually go over the part by part. Moving over to the part by part, we have our blade, which is sword drawn, and mind you, this is a mint sword drawn. So what that means, it's really good for attack, because these contact points on the blade are mint. But as those wear down, drawn sword would be more for stamina / defense. You can still use it for attack. And yeah. In terms of the blade, yeah, I've seen in WBO tournaments people have been winning with stock drawn sword. Alright, moving on to the 360 ratchet. It's a good ratchet overall. Yeah, it's a good ratchet. 3 sides, prefer 3 sides, anything except for 4 sides for the 60 height. And yeah, moving on, we have our bit, which is flat. It is overall really good for attack because it's a flat bit. Now, flat has strong burst resistance, and TLDR, you want type burst resistance because it has the thicker part on the shaft here. And yeah, let's get this guy assembled. Now with the bait assembled, wow. Now let's actually compare, because I have dagger drawn. Yeah, so the drawn line is almost complete. I just need Buster drawn. If you guys have a Buster drawn or know where to get one, please contact me. I need it for a review. You don't actually have to. It's a bit. And yeah, let's get dagger drawn. Let's get drawn dagger out of there. Let's zoom out and let's bring the team out here. Let's bring the team out here. There you go. We brought the team. This is Team Persona. Well, actually, might as well put these guys in there. Dagger Dran and Chain Incendio. There we go. Team Persona is almost complete. I need Buster Dran, Wand Wizard, Lance Knight, and whenever they decide to release a Whale Wave, this is my current Team Persona collection, and I am waiting for them to release Hell's Hammer or Hammer Incendio. How would you say that? There's Scythe Incendio, Chain Incendio, Hammer Incendio? I don't know. But yeah, here is Team Persona. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you like Team Persona. I'd probably do another video with these guys, Team Persona. But you have to subscribe. That'll be it. Thank you guys so much. Well, actually, let's take all these. It's a drawn sword video. There you go. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the Bay Bros, and I'll see you next time. This is freaking sick, dude.